What's up guys, welcome to Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam and today we are gonna talk about how to be found by recruiters on LinkedIn. If you wanna know something about that, stay with me. We are living in a digital world. Digital world is all around us. It's like a freaking matrix. It's everywhere you look, is in this room, is basically everywhere. Technology these days could be your best friend or the worst enemy. That's why we need to make sure this new world is on our side. If you have a LinkedIn profile, but could be also something else like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, CV Library, whatever you have, you probably notice that some people have more phone calls from recruiters than the others. Why this is happening, I will tell you right now. These days, in this modern digital world, the most important thing is data. These days, every company, from Facebook, Google to even small companies, they are after one thing and one thing only: data, because they are precious, like a freaking gold. Because of that, you need to understand one thing: the amount of information available on internet, on those databases, is gigantic. There is no human being on earth that could go through everything. That's why these days we are trying to use sophisticated software to help us find whatever we want to find. I will give you a small example. Google.com, the best probably search engine out there. You type what you're looking for and Google will find it for you. The same happens on LinkedIn. If you think that recruiters these days go through every single candidate to find the one, you are mistaken. They don't have time for that. They are using sophisticated software to find perfect candidate exactly the same way how you use Google these days to find the information you need. So if they are looking, for example, for a bodyguard, they will be looking for someone with things like first aid certificates, combat training, full driving license, very good vision, ability to make decision under huge stress, something about the guns, etc., etc. So you better make sure that your profile has those keywords. If you missed some of them, and for example, if you put something like I was a bodyguard for last 20 years and I was making sure that celebrities or maybe even President of United States was secured, this is not good enough. In the eyes of AI or those sophisticated programs, you are nobody, because the recruiter put a list of requirements, like I just told you, those 5-6 things, and if you do not have them in your profile, you do not exist. So it looks a little bit like this. The recruiter is looking for a specific person. He's making the list of requirements. AI, or the sophisticated program, is going through hundreds, maybe even thousands of profiles. He's picking maybe 50 for you, and those 50 are shown to the recruiter. So this is the moment where actually the human being using eyes and brain is looking at the profiles, because the sophisticated program just choose from hundreds or maybe thousands of profiles the best candidates. So it doesn't matter that you have 20 years experience securing very important events and you was main bodyguard of the United States president itself. That doesn't count, because you didn't put those keywords in your profile, so you are invisible. So like I said, let's make technology available, our ally, not enemy. So what you have to do is you just need to go to your profile on LinkedIn and have a look at your description and make sure that you have all those requirements somewhere in your profile. How to do that, I will show you right now. Let's go. Let's say you are an IT technician, or you want to have this position, you're looking for IT technician role. So let's find the job like this. Jobs, IT technician. All right, search. Your job now is just to go through the description, through this all responsibilities, requirements as well, and pick very important keywords, and later compare those words with your profile. Make sure you have exactly the same keywords in your profile. In other means, make sure your profile speaks the same language as the requirements for this job offer. So what you will be looking for in this case, IT technician, make sure you have this summary in your profile, like he was doing such and such as a IT technician, my responsibility were blah blah blah. What else is important? Don't ignore sentences like this. Are you brilliant, organized and experienced IT technician? Obviously you're not gonna put something like I'm brilliant, but you can easily put something like organized or experienced. Okay, another important keyword in this scenario is software. Put that somewhere else as well. You could make a list of those keywords. For example, just open the notepad and somewhere on the site make the list of those keywords. Okay, so in this case, IT technician, boom. Organized and experienced, boom. Software, boom. Okay, what else is important? Performance. You could add something like I increase performance in the company network by 5%. Management systems. You see, we just start reading about the profile, the perfect profile of this candidate, and we already have a bunch of keywords. So they are just there, they're just waiting for you to find them. Team members, again, do not ignore this. You could use this as a I can work alone or as a team member. And of course, as a IT, you need to understand that words like hardware, software, network, this is like basic stuff. Network maintenance, yeah, maintenance as well. And now probably the most important section, the main tasks. So this is like a main requirements for this position. So make sure that the keywords, the most important things, are in your profile. So I'm not gonna go through this because this is not the scope of this video, but I'm sure you get what I'm trying to tell you. So in case of IT technicians, the most important will be servers, Active Directory, Q&E, Exchange servers, 365, Google platform, so on. So the same principle will be with the bodyguard, with the maintenance technician, with every possible job out there. Doesn't matter if you are a barista or you are a professional dancer, the principle is the same. Use technology these days to help you being visible on LinkedIn profile, and not only on LinkedIn profile but everywhere. Yeah, this is the world we are living in now, so embrace this, and if you cannot fight with this, join that. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. I hope this video helped you somehow. If it did, consider subscribing. Don't forget to smash that like button if you want. If not, that's alright. And I want to use that moment to ask you something. You specific, you behind this little screen or telly, whatever you are using. If you think those videos are good and you want to help me, there is something you can do for me. This will take you only a few seconds. Let's hack YouTube algorithm today by liking this video, by subscribing, by sharing and leaving comment. Even comment like I'm leaving this comment for YouTube algorithm. That's it. I will be very grateful, because at the moment my channel is hidden, so I need to hack this a little bit. So please help me do that. I will be very grateful. And yeah, that's it. Thank you again and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.